How to increase text size on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make text larger and easier to read across your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, tap Display. After that, tap Font Size and Style. At this point, you'll see a slider at the top labeled Font Size with a preview of how the text will look as you adjust it. From here, drag the slider to the right to increase the text size. There are several levels to choose from, so you can find what feels most comfortable. Following this, if you also want to make everything on your screen bigger, including icons and UI elements, go back to the Display Settings page and tap Screen Zoom instead. After that, drag that slider to the right as well to increase the overall zoom level of your screen. From here, you can combine both adjustments to get everything looking exactly the way you want it. Finally, all changes apply instantly as you drag the sliders, so you can preview exactly how things will look before backing out. That's how you increase text size on Android. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!